Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Play Store not working on Infinix Note 60. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on App Management. After click on App Management, click on App List. After click on App List, scroll down and search Play Store app from here. Click on Play Store and click on Storage and Cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache, Play Store clear cache app. After clear cache Play Store app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is restart. Just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Play Store not working on Infinix Note 60. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.